Okay, now we are going to do a second report, and we're going to do it at OOW level. So we are going to apply seasonal changes. Okay, so there's a good question. If you have the book, we'll do the question number 14. It seems very simple. It says, what is the height of tide at Arklow 611, November 13th at 0443. Okay, Arklow is a secondary port, okay, which means we don't have the information. What we have to do is we have to find all the information from the standard port and convert it to so we get the information for Arklow. We've got a pro forma which actually helps us. If you can find these pro formas, then they really, really do help. Okay, so what we know from this question, we can put in the secondary port name, and the secondary port name is Arklow. Okay, and we must put the number in 611. It's very important that we put the number in. Okay, and the date here was November 13th. Time zone is UT. I'll check that, but it's going to be 000. Okay, then we have to find out what the standard port is for Arklow. So if I go to my tide tables and I look on the side here, it tells us some numbers, and I can see 611, which is why we must know the number. It says Arklow, and if I look up at the top, Dublin is our standard port, so I can put the standard port name of Dublin, and then I need the number as well, 617. Okay, and what are we looking for? We are looking for a height at 0443. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look up all the information for the standard port, which is Dublin. So I go to the front of the book, and where we go, Cove. Okay, so it's going to be Dublin in the date, November the 13th. So Dublin, June, July, August, November 13. I'm going to do my normal stuff. Dublin, November 13. Okay, there's two things we can do. We can write everything down if you want on the piece of paper. So we'll go 0316 0.5. So this is going to be a low water, high water, low water, high water. I know that because high, low. Okay. All right. The time we are looking for is 0443. So it's going to be over here somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to be requiring this information over here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my pro forma, and I'm going to put time. It says the time of the high water is going to be 0959. 0959. Ultimately, we're going to be using a Dublin curve, and we need the high water time, the high water height, and the low water height. So we don't need anything with low water, so I can just leave that blank. But I need the high water height, which was going to be 4. And I need the low water height, which is 0.5. The next question here is range. So the difference between those two, the range is 3.5 meters. Okay. What we have to do now is we have to make some changes for a seasonal change. All of this information in the tide table, they have already applied the seasonal change. So what we have to do is we have to unapply the seasonal change so that we can do the calculations. So to find the seasonal change is, we have to go back to the back of the book where we found all of our information. And you'll look at the bottom, it says seasonal changes mean level. And then it says number, January to January. Okay, so we can go to, we see the number we are looking for Dublin is 617. 617 is between the 607 and 644. And I can follow this line. Let me get a ruler. 611 to November, and it says plus 0.1. That means that they have already added plus 0.1 to this figure. So we have to minus 0.1. We have to do the opposite of what it says. So it's going to give us an uncorrected height of 3.9 meters and 0.4 meters. Okay, so then it says we've got to calculate the differences. Okay, so now we've got to do the maths. Okay, so we go back to our 611, go back over to this page over here, and we look at Dublin North Wall, and we look at the time differences for the high water. Dublin, okay, it says 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7, 12, and 19. And then we go down to Arklow, and it says, let me get my ruler to make sure I get it right. Arklow, high water differences. Oh, it's a big one, okay. 0315 minus 0315 and minus 0201. Let's just take a little minute and think about what that is. Okay, that is that's not 315 minutes. That is 3 hours and 15 minutes. And this is 2 hours and 1 minute. So the difference between there is going to be 1 hour and 14 minutes. 1 hour, 14 minutes, which is equal to 74 minutes. That would be the difference between those two numbers. Would be 74 minutes. Okay, so what we are looking to do now, we are looking to go for the high water of, we want to change this time here, this 9:59. So where does 0959 fit in? Does it fit in between there and there? No. In between here and here? Yes. Which means we are going to be working from the right side to the left side. So I'm immediately going to put my arrow going this way. And I'm going to put 0959 there. Okay, so if you remember our A over B times C calculation, okay, so A is going to be the difference between 0700 and 0959 in minutes. So that's 7, 8, 9, so that's going to be 2 hours and 59 minutes, which is 120, it's going to be 179. Okay, B is going to be the difference between 7 and 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 hours, which 5 times 60 is 300 minutes. And then times by C, which is the difference over here of 74. Okay, let's use our little calculator. Okay, 179 divided by 300 multiplied by 74 is equal to 44.1. We'll round that up to to a solid number, which will be, or round it down to 44. Okay. What we have to do is we have to take that 44 and slide from 201 towards 315 by 44 minutes. So it's going to be 0245. 44 minutes going that way, and it's going to be negative minus 245. It's a big number, huh? Okay, so our change here is going to be negative 0245. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. So the time of the high water in Arklow is going to be 0714. Double check. 4 and 5 is 9. 1 and 4 is 5. 7 and 2 is 9. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so we've got the high water time. Now we have to calculate the heights. And if we go back to Arklow, what it is telling us is, if we look up here, mean high water springs, mean high water neaps, mean low water neaps, mean low water springs. So actually, I'm just going to write that up at the top here. Mean high water springs, low water springs. Okay, and if I look at Dublin, which is our standard port, we have got the average range at springs is going to be 4.1 meters, and at neaps is going to be 3.4 meters. And at Arklow, what we would do is we would minus 2.7 for springs and minus 2.2 for neaps. So the difference here is 0.5. Okay, I'm going to go back to my thing here. My low water uncorrected, my high water uncorrected height is 3.9. So I'm looking for 3.9. So if I'm calculating going this way, I've got to go this way down here. And I'm going to get my A, which is the difference between there, of 0.2. B is going to be the difference of those, which is 3.4.6, which is going to be 0.7. And my C is going to be 0.5. So if I did my A over B times C, I'm going to get 0.2 over 0.7 multiplied by 0.5, which is equal to, it's way too clever for me, 0.2 divided by 0.7 equals, multiplied by 0.5 equals 0.14, which is going to round up to round down to 0.1. Because I'm working from that side to that side, I'm going to go from minus 2.7 towards minus 2.2 by 0.1, which will give us minus 2.6. So the difference is going to be minus 2.6. So I can go minus 2.6. Okay, secondary port uncorrected would be 3.9 minus 2.6. 3.9 minus 2.6 equals 1.3 meters. Okay, let's look at the low waters. The low water for Dublin would be 1.5 or 0.7 for the springs. Arklow would be minus 0.6 and minus 0.1. So the difference is equal to 0.5. And we are looking for a low water of 0.4. Doesn't fit in between there. It actually is on this side. Okay, we can still do the same thing. This is going to be our A. This is going to be B. And C is going to be that. We're just going to have to go from here and go that way instead of being in between those numbers. Okay, so A is 0.3. B is 0.8. 0.7. 1.5 minus 0.7 is 0.8. And C is 0.5. 0.3 divided by 0.8 equals, multiplied by 0.5 equals 0.18, which is going to round up to 0.2. Okay, we've got to move 0.2 away from there. Okay, so 0.1 going that way would be 0, and it's going to equal plus 0.1. 0.6, 0.5, 0.1, 0 plus 0.1. Okay, so our difference is going to be plus 0.1, which will give us 0.5 meters. All right, now we have to do the seasonal change, but this time we're going to do it on arcload. So we've got to find 611, which fits in between those two. November plus 0.1. And this time we actually do what it says because we are applying the seasonal correction, which will give us our 1.4 and 0.6 meters. What we can do is we can put in our 0714, which was our high water time. Our height is 1.4, which is going to be 1.4 is there, 0.624, 0.5, 0.6, which is there. Okay, and we are looking for 0443, so that's going to be 0614, 0514, 0414, 0414, which is, we are looking for 0443, 243444, it's going to be about there. Okay, where are we now? Okay, are we at springs or deeps? This is a little trick. Range 3.5. I can see that if my range is 3.5, we are above the spring range, so we are going to be at springs, which is the solid line. So I can go to the solid line here. Over to there. Up to there. 1.2 meters. What a lot of work for a very simple answer.